Hey, what is up everyone? Here is how to add music to Canva video. So in order for us to get this done, we're gonna head over here to our Canva project and we're going to look for the uploads button here. You can go ahead and click on it and then you can click upload files, and I want you to go ahead and basically look for something that you want to upload. I'm gonna go ahead and say, for example, choose this one and then tap the open button. Now while you are waiting for the video to be uploaded, I want you to head to the audio and then click upload files again. So we're going to look for the music that we want to add. Now I'm just going to go ahead and choose this one, for example, click open, and then we're going to wait for both of them to be uploaded. So our video is ready. I'm just going to click it once and it is going to be added here automatically. Now I'm going to full screen this one and then we're going to head to audio and then I'm going to click on it in order to play. Now if, say for example, that is the right music, you can go ahead and just click it here and it's gonna be added automatically. Now from this point forward, you can go ahead and adjust the audio here in order for you to choose the right part you want to add to the video. You can also go ahead and double click on it in order for you to see it, just like so. Alright, now I want you to go ahead and choose again, and afterwards you can just go ahead and click here and it's gonna be added automatically. So I can go ahead and play it. And yep, that everybody is how you are going to get this done. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed the video.